Good morning students. Students, today I'll explain you the difference between true solutions, suspensions and colloids. Now I am making a true solution by adding some salt in water. I'm just stirring it and adding salt in water. A suspension I am making by adding soil in water. And here I have taken milk. Milk, as you all know, it is a colloidal solution. So I am having three solutions with me. One is true solution of salt and water. Another is a suspension of soil and water. And third one is milk, which is a colloidal solution. Now look at all these three solutions. Nature of solutions. True solutions are homogeneous, suspensions are heterogeneous, and colloids, they appears to be homogeneous but actually they are heterogeneous. Look here, this is homogeneous mixture of salt and water. This is heterogeneous mixture of soil and water, and this appears to be homogeneous but actually it is heterogeneous. Now on the basis of size of particles, in true solutions the size of particle is less than 1 nanometer. In suspension the size of particle is greater than 100 nanometer, and in colloids the size of particle is between 1 nanometer and 100 nanometer. It means that the size of colloidal particle is in between the size of true solution particle and size of suspension particles. Setting of particles. Now you look here. Is anything settled at the bottom? Nothing. So true solutions are stable. Now look in this. Soil is settled at the bottom. So it is unstable. Now look at this milk, colloidal solution. Is anything settled at the bottom? Nothing. So it is stable. On the basis of visibility of particles, can you see salt particles here? You cannot. Now, can you see soil particles? You can. You can see the particles of suspension by naked eye. But can you see particles here in colloidal solution? No, you cannot see the particles of colloidal solution also. Then on the basis of filterability, true solutions, they pass through the filter paper as well as animal membrane. Suspensions, they do not pass through filter paper. Suspensions, you know that soil will remain at the filter paper and water will filtered, and they cannot pass through animal membrane also. Colloidal solution, they pass through ordinary filter paper but they do not pass through animal membrane. On the basis of Tyndall effect, that is scattering of light by colloidal particles is Tyndall effect. True solutions do not show Tyndall effect, but when suspended particles are there in suspension, then they show Tyndall effect, but when suspended particles settle down at the bottom, the suspension will not show Tyndall effect. Colloidal solutions, they show Tyndall effect. They scatter the beam of light when it is fallen on the colloidal solution. Then on the basis of diffusion, true solutions diffuse quickly, suspensions do not diffuse with each other, and colloids, they diffuse slowly. Then on the basis of separation, Solute and solvent in true solutions cannot be separated by ordinary or ultrafiltration. In suspensions, particles can be separated by ordinary filtration, and in colloidal solutions, the particles they are separated by ultrafiltration, or another method is centrifugation method. On the basis of transparency, true solutions they are transparent. Look here, true solutions they are transparent. Suspensions they are opaque. Suspensions are opaque, and colloidal solutions are translucent. Colloidal solutions are translucent. So these are the comparisons between true solutions, suspensions and colloids. Thank you.